Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create college ad using custom shapes. Start with a colorful gradient background, select the circle shape and arrange them in random clusters. Clip product images inside each shape using mask mode, adjust size for visual rhythm, then add thin white borders around every circle for separations. Insert a big headline inside a bold custom shape banner and add textures using low opacity abstract shapes. Place your discount offer in a circular edge. Rotate shapes slightly for playfulness. Add drop shadows lightly to avoid clutter. Thanks for watching.